creative friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredible product to review and share with you all. It's the AKMER P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter. A game changer that will take your artistic projects to the new heights. So let's dive right in. The AKMER P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter is an absolute powerhouse, featuring a real 33-watt optical power laser engraving machine. With its cutting-edge 6-watt laser coupling technology, it boasts an ultra-fine laser focus of 0.08mm and a minimum engraving accuracy of 0.01mm. The engraving speed can reach an impressive 30,000 mm per minute, making it a truly versatile tool. This machine's cutting capacity is remarkable. It can effortlessly cut through materials such as 30mm wood board, 20mm acrylic, and even slice through a 0.1mm stainless steel plate in one go. The AKMER P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter is designed for high efficiency, delivering cutting speeds that are 200% faster and cutting depths that are 150% deeper than 10-watt laser engraving machines. Compared to 20-watt laser engraving machine, it offers a 50% increase in cutting speed and 25% increase in cutting depth. One of the standout features of AKMER P2 33-watt is its ESP32 dual processor chip. This advanced technology enhances the engraving effect, achieving finer details and higher contrast. With a larger engraving area of 420 by 400 mm, this machine allows you to work on a wide variety of materials such as wood, bamboo, paper, acrylic, leather, PCB board, aluminum oxide, metal, ceramics, and many more, making it a versatile tool for countless DIY projects. The solid all-metal structured frame of AKMER P2 ensures stability and durability, ultimately improving engraving accuracy. The machine adopts a modular design, making assembly, maintenance, and updating of machine parts a breeze. With 60% pre-assembly delivery, you can have your machine up and running in just 10 to 15 minutes with only 4 simple steps. Your safety is high priority, and the AKMER company understands that. The P2 features an observable shield made of filtered glass, protecting your eyes and filtering out 97% of ultraviolet rays. The product also comes standard with an air assist kit, significantly improving cutting speed and accuracy while enhancing the quality of your cuts and preventing materials discoloration and burning. The newly upgraded focusing system with gate design allows for quick, convenient focusing, ensuring optimal results for your projects. The machine is equipped with an emergency stop button, providing you with peace of mind during unexpected situations. Additionally, the AKMER P2 33-watt has a 15 degrees tilt angle protection function that automatically stops the machine if tilted beyond 15 degrees, ensuring your safety and protection. This machine is packed with thoughtful safety features. It has a flame detection function that alerts you and stops the machine in case of excessive smoke or fire during engraving process. An emergency stop switch allows for immediate termination of the machine's operation, and a power safety lock ensures that the machine can only be operated with a safety key, preventing accidental use. The AKMER P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter boasts a wide compatibility, allowing you to use various engraving software and control it via an app. Popular software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn are fully supported. Laser GRBL works seamlessly on Windows, while Lightburn supports both macOS and Windows. You can use engraving file formats such as NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, DXF, and more. The AKMER P2 33-watt features an upgraded compressed spot coupling technology, resulting in an ultra-fine laser focus area reduced to 0.08 by 0.1mm. Its integrated design ensures that 90% of the cables are hidden inside the machine, keeping your workbench clean and organized. The industrial guide rail device provides 20% more stability compared to other machines, ensuring precise and steady operation. And to top it off, all motors are equipped with the silent motor technology, guaranteeing a quieter and more peaceful working environment. Now, let me show you some of my projects that I made with this machine. have it, guys. The Acmer P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter is an absolute powerhouse that allows you to unleash your creativity on a wide range of materials. With its incredible features, solid construction and safety precautions, it's a reliable and versatile tool for all your artistic projects. So if you are ready to take your projects to the next level, the Acmer P2 33-watt laser engraver and cutter might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. The links for the Acmer P2 is in the description. Until next time, keep creating.